Hello, my name is Jay Ryan. I'd like to welcome you to the demonstration of my CS6181 homework number 6. In this demonstration, I am going to show you the interoperability between my voice over IP program and the RAT audio program. We'll also show you live audio and video streaming using RTP streams between two virtual machines running IPv6 between them. Now, both of these virtual machines will be running on this same laptop, which can just barely support running those two machines. So we may see some audio and video effects related to the CPU usage. Please keep that in mind. Alright, so now I think we're ready to start this demonstration. First, what I'm going to do is restart our Wireshark capture so we can see what's going on in the network during the demonstration. So we'll keep that running and we'll bring up our two virtual machines. Okay. On the virtual machine on the left, we'll call this number 1. We're going to start the RAT audio tool. Okay. And on the right, we are going to start our tool to send audio. Now before I do that, let me point out the way we're going to get audio in and out of this system. Right now I'm talking to you over a USB headset, but on the audio line into the computer I've hooked up my iPod, on which I have a recording of the lecture 12 of this class. So what I'm going to do is play the audio for that lecture into the line in, and we're going to see that go into the virtual machine 2, stream across the IP network using IPv4 in this case, since RAT does not support IPv6, and the audio will leave this machine and it will enter virtual machine number 1. So we'll start the tool now. And there we go. We can see the audio coming in, but I believe it's actually muted over here, so let's turn our volume back on. Okay. Okay, so we can hear the audio coming in. There's definitely some breakup, especially in this direction, where the RAT tool has a problem getting all the audio. It went out now, but you'll see that if we were only running on one system, it'd be a lot faster. We're really getting our Darth Vader effect here, but let's take this virtual machine here and stop the listening. A little buffer there, and we're going to start it talking. Now audio should be being transported from virtual machine 1 to virtual machine 2. So let's go to virtual machine 2. We're going to turn the volume on this machine. And now
any questions? It was very quick, but I will run a little short on time, so I want to move on. Any questions on the RTSP side, what it does or how it works?
So here we can hear this audio coming in from virtual machine 1 to virtual machine 2. Alright. So that concludes our live demonstration of the RAT interoperability. Let's close out our homework 6 program here and close our RAT audio 2 over here. Okay, now we're going to go to our Wireshark capture. We're going to stop the data. Alright, we're going to look at port 5000, because our audio is running over port 5000 RTP in this example. Okay, so 192.168.252.129 is a source of virtual machine number 2, So that is the Homework 6 program transmitting to the RAT executable. If we look here, we'll see it's transporting G711 packets with a payload here, which I don't know if we have the size here, but it'll be 160 bytes. Okay. Now, if we go toward the end of this capture, we'll see packets being transported from both virtual machines, transporting packets back and forth, and they both are sending G711 packets. So that is how we're getting our audio. Now I'm going to look at our RTCP packets. Okay. Get some unreachables in the beginning until we start up both sides. Initially, we're getting sender reports from the Homework 6 program coming from user@email.com and bob@aol.com as our common names and our names. We'll see coming from 252.128, which is RAT, which is sending receiver reports. We can see it's also filling in the CNAME field. Okay, so we're seeing in Wireshark both valid RTP and RTCP packets coming to and from the RAT audio tool and our Homework 6 program. Okay, now I'm going to show a short demonstration of the audio and video traveling over IPv6 between the two virtual machines.